Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another curly hair video. I know I have not posted curly hair content on my channel in a while. I feel like it's been at least a month since I posted a curly hair video, which I'm so sorry, but I haven't even been doing my curly hair. But I really miss my curls and I really miss just having my hair out and loose. I literally feel like my head is getting sore from wearing a bun so much. But we're gonna make today a wash day to bring these curls back to life. I'm gonna be using all of my favorite curly hair products. These are products I have been loving this whole year actually. And we're gonna do the whole thing, pre-poo style, all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Innate Life scalp treatment for my pre-poo. This is my absolute favorite, as well as their herbal hair mask. Before I was introduced to the Innate Life, I rarely ever pre-pooed my hair, and this has been like a game changer and an absolute must in my routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the scalp treatment. First, I'm actually going to take out my hair. I did just get back from the gym, so it's already worse than what it was before, but I cannot wait to just wear my hair loose. I literally feel like my head is sore. But this is what my hair is looking like, you guys. This is literally what my hair has been looking like for 3 weeks. Crazy and disgusting. But we're gonna bring this hair back to life. I also feel like I have so much energy right now. Like I said, I just got back from the gym, so hopefully I can get this video filmed, edited, and up by tomorrow, which is Sunday. And I'm just sectioning my hair off into 4 different sections so I can apply the scalp treatment all over my scalp. This is so amazing, and I love the way that it smells, and it really has this tingling sensation, so it really feels like it's getting deep into your scalp, really cleansing it and detoxing it. It feels so good. So I'm just putting this on my scalp and trying to avoid my actual hair, because I don't want to use product on my other hair because that's not what it's really meant for, and I'm just going to be wasting it. So I'm just rubbing it into my scalp. And I'm almost out of this one, so since I'm almost out of it, I'm literally just gonna use the rest of this. This is the second jar that I've went through. I absolutely love this stuff. It just feels so good. And next I'm gonna go in with the herbal hair mask and put this all over my hair. This is also really nice because it's gonna make my hair feel super soft. It's almost kind of like a clay mask, but it's really thin. So I don't know how to explain the texture of it, and it's super bright. I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it smells amazing as well, and it just makes your hair feel so nice. I can definitely see the difference when I use this before I wash my hair and when I don't. This mask will also be really helpful if you have a lot of heat damage, or if you have color treated hair and you have chemical damage from that, because that's what I had, and I could see a major difference in my curls since I've been using this. And if you guys are interested in any of the Innate Life products, I do have a code. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. It's Jollyana15. You guys can save 15% on any of their products. I actually haven't even tried out their shampoos or conditioners yet, but out of everything I've tried so far, if I could choose one thing for you guys to try, and one thing I would recommend, it would definitely be the scalp treatment and then the hair mask, in that order. And then I'm just going to wrap this up and let this sit on my head for at least an hour. I'm gonna wrap it up with a little plastic cap to kind of let some heat get in here and let everything just work its way on my scalp and my hair. So I just got out the shower, I put on some makeup, put on this cute top. I really love this top. I recently got it. It's a marble swirly, I don't know, but everybody's in love with this swirly nail designs and the marble print and all that stuff, and I love it too. So I figured I would throw on this top. I haven't got a chance to wear it, but I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair with my favorite curly hair products of 2021 so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my prep products, which is the hair primer and the leave-in conditioner from the Innate Life. No matter what stylers I end up using, I always start with my primer and my leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna take my hair down. It's still pretty wet actually. I didn't dry it with the towel. I just clipped it up right away and let it be while I got ready. So I'm just putting a little bit more water. And then I'm gonna run through my hair once more, even though it's pretty much detangled. I'm just gonna go in with my Tangle Buster from Careco. Oh, I also did use the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo and conditioner. I've been using that one since I purchased it for the first time, like in March maybe. I definitely repurchased it like 3 times already, so I really like that shampoo and conditioner. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my primer and just spray that all over. Also making sure to like split my hair in half to really get it in there and underneath some of the hair that is covered up. And next I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, let me just try to hide my little pinky that already fell off. I swear this leave-in conditioner smells like Fruity Pebbles. It smells so good. And then I'm just running my brush through my hair just to make sure I spread the product out evenly throughout my hair. And for my first styler, I'm going in with the Defining Curl Cream from Cake Beauty. Cake Beauty has been one of my favorite brands since I kind of rediscovered them actually, because I tried them out a while ago, then I forgot about them, and then recently I tried them out again and I was like, okay, these are definitely going in my favorites list because they're just amazing. All their curly hair products I've tried so far, I absolutely love all of them. But I'm just raking this through my hair. This is the area where I'll start going in with my Tangle Teaser. I'm sorry, there's like a bunch of hair in there. But I'm just gonna run the Tangle Teaser through just a few of the pieces of my hair so I can get like a few really defined curls. I feel like I go through phases of my hair journey, I guess, where like I'm obsessed with having super defined, really pretty looking curls, and then other times I honestly just don't care. Like right now I feel like I really like the more fluffy, like hair-free kind of look. I don't really like when my hair looks super defined and like has these big ringlets. I don't like that anymore. And next I'm gonna go in with the Curl Volumizing Foam from Flora Curl. I recently tried them out. I have a whole video on their products. It's like an all-natural brand, and I was a little skeptical about their products, but honestly I really fell in love with this foam. I've been loving using foam and mousse in my hair in general, also to help create more volume in my hair, more body. But I feel like this foam like tops all the foams that I've tried so far. So I really enjoy this one. I just shake it up a little bit before I use it, and then I go ahead and put that all over my hair. And what I like to do first is just kind of smooth it over and then I'll scrunch. And then I'll kind of do one more round of this. I'll flip my hair over and scrunch upside down. Don't mind my outfit, behind the scenes of filming YouTube videos. But I'm gonna flip my head over. And that is all I do to style my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use my microfiber towel to kind of scrunch out a little bit of this excess water. This will help my hair dry a little bit quicker, take out any unnecessary product or water that is in my hair right now. And these are what my wet curls are looking like. My hair looks so good. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be a really good washed it, and I'm so excited because I have not seen my hair curly and out in a very long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry. I might diffuse it a little bit. If I do, I'll definitely show you guys how I do that, but I'll be back in a few hours for me, in 1 second for you. Okay, so I am back with my diffuser because my hair is actually taking super long to dry. It's actually only been like an hour and a half, but I need it to speed up. My ends are kind of dry, but my roots definitely need some help. So I'm gonna go in on low heat and just start diffusing my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this rose hair elixir on my fingertips. It's basically a hair oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and separate some of the curls that I created with the Tangle Teaser. A lot of them are like down here at the end of my hair. They're kind of chunky, so I'm going to separate them. And then I'm just going to fluff out my hair a little bit with my hands. And these are my final results. This was such a good hair day. I'm literally so excited because I have not seen myself with my hair out and curly like this. I feel like in over a month, almost a month probably. But yeah, my curls look so good. They feel so good. They look super healthy. One thing I'm noticing is that my color is starting to fade back to my natural hair color, which is dark brown. But I feel like for a few months, my hair basically looked black because I did dark brown hair dye. And now that that color is kind of fading away, my hair is kind of like getting back to its most healthy state, like what I remember my hair to be. Honestly, just time passing since I dyed my hair and the products that I have been using have really helped my hair. Like my hair has changed so much from what it was a few months ago, and I am so happy with it. Now I'm in my head thinking like, I kind of want to go light for the summer, but I'm just getting over like getting my healthy hair back, and I don't know if that's a really smart idea because I'm gonna have to use bleach in my hair, but we'll see. So that is going to be the end of today's video. I brought my curls back to life using all of my current favorite products. These are basically my favorites for the year so far. I can't believe we're almost in the middle of the year. Like it's about to be June and my birthday is coming up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys all in my next video, which hopefully is going to be another curly hair video very soon. So bye.